रुक जा 2 सेकंड के लिए. Do you have any questions? It's been a while. मुझे बता कि बहुत टाइम हो गया है. How the hell did a filter pop up? कैसे निकाले इसको? Is it fine? Alright, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Okay, it's back to normal. चलो ठीक है. Awesome. Hello. Yeah, so many people from Bangladesh, dude. Is the show really happening over there? Full into. What's up, Nikita? I am always into, you know that. Okay. Hi from Bangladesh once again. Some questions. Hi, take my name please. Ayushi, kaise ho? Guys, I'm doing good. And how was the entertainment task for you guys? Alright, cool. So you guys started. Entertainment task was a lot of fun. And honestly, मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया कि ये सब बैटल होगा. जब मैंने सोचा था कि एंटरटेनमेंट टास्क होगा, मैंने सोचा कि चलो ठीक है, आकृति और मुझे थोड़ा टाइम मिलेगा, स्पेस मिलेगा कोरियोग्राफ करने के लिए. अभिनव, डोंट मेक मी लाफ ब्रो. तो हाँ, सो हमने सोचा कि हमको टाइम मिलेगा और हम दोनों अकेले साथ में परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. और हमने देखा पिछले स्पिट्सविला को, I mean entertainment tasks को, and it was all like, you know, duets, 2 people to perform, and then after, but जैसे ही हमको पता चला कि एक battle होने वाला है, oh my god, the amount of frustration we had starting from choosing the song till the very end. I can't even tell you how irritating that boy is. Holy shit. Like, if anyone can get the nerves so much now, it's that guy. Like, सोच, हर एक बात पे कुछ ना कुछ लड़ाई. तो हमने प्रैक्टिस कम की और हमने लड़ाई ज़्यादा किया. I thought when the episode was going to air, a lot of things will be shown, but it was not shown. I don't know why. But yeah, it is what it is. We were fighting from the starting, from choosing the song, to which part of the song we both will dance on, and yeah. Kashish Thakur. Yes, I will be playing the Footy League. Okay, this time we'll do it. So yeah, so that happened, and then we were arguing from who will play which song will go first. Like, so हर छोटी चीज़ में लड़ाई, and what you expect. I think all 3 or 4 of us were dancers. तो क्या ऐसा हुआ था कि हम लोग पार्टनर स्टेप्स कर रहे हैं और उस साइड से भी सेम partner steps वो कर रहे हैं. And I'm like, are you seeing this? And he's like, yeah. Like, who's copying who? So I was just thinking, yeah, like, there are a few partner steps which look good, which a guy and girl can do. तो जब lifts आते हैं तो it's not like there's a versatile amount of lifts that we can do it, और हमको safety का भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि बहुत कम टाइम है, no mats on the ground. And अभी तक I haven't dropped anyone. I do not want to. So तो जो steps के साथ में comfortable था और वो comfortable थी वो हम कर रहे थे. And from there, yeah, that's it. So if I heard someone say हम steps copy कर रहे हैं and this and that, I'm not going to go tell that he's copying our steps. Maybe he did, maybe he saw a step and he realized कि यार we can also do this step. मैंने किया है लेकिन can't say someone copied someone's step. You don't invent any step. हम सब dancers हैं वहाँ. And we have done a lot of partner dances before. Number 1 is that. And yeah, we had so much fun dancing. Akriti and I was just like, whoa, okay. हमको लगा कि ये एक connection दिखाना का challenge है. I didn't realize it's a proper full-fledged choreo dance. And we were more focused on showing our connection. यार और क्या? We had to show what we had and how sensual we are, or how hot we are, how cute we are, or how much chemistry that we have both of us. That was the main aim, and nothing else regarding that. So we danced accordingly. अगर पता चला कि flips करने के बाद लोग impress हो जाएंगे और जीत जाएंगे, then it would have been a little bit different. We would have done a bit more of dance than showing our chemistry, right? और दूसरी बात ये है कि we knew that Sakshi and Tasneem were coming. So I'm seeing so many posts and so many reels saying that you can't be the OG couple, and dude, kudos to them. They were amazing. They did amazing Sila. They are an inspiration, I would say. And this step was just a tribute for them क्योंकि हमको पता चला कि वो लोग वहाँ हैं, when we were practicing the step, they came, like practicing our dance, they came into the practice area and they spoke, so चलो ठीक है, let's do something as a tribute to them. It was done in a very nice, like very good gesture. ऐसा नहीं है कि we are trying to be them or trying to copy them. It was just a tribute to them because I really like them as a couple. और कुछ नहीं यार, और कुछ नहीं. Yeah, that's about it. She solely copied Sakshi and dresses well. Guys, I mean that step has been done eons before. I mean people have done this step before, and that type of outfit is a very nice outfit for dance, especially a partner dance where there are lifts. It's not like that's her own outfit. So you can't go and tell कि Akriti copied this, Akriti copied that. That's not right. And we copied the step because it's a tribute to them. We didn't do a step in the very beginning or something. They were there. अगर वो लोग वहाँ नहीं होते ना, we would not have done the step. That means they were that part out. ठीक है? Yes. Okay, आपके पास कशिश का नंबर है क्योंकि उसने अकृति बोला कि जैसे नंबर ले लो प्लीज रिप्लाई दे दो जस्ट कर दो मेरा. Okay, so when it comes to that, Kashish, why the fuck would you say that? Like, what were you thinking? I thought show में हमारा रात को अच्छा चल रहा था, and I didn't expect this sort of shitty dialogue or whatever from you. Below the belt, first of all. Secondly, what the hell were you thinking? You're telling my girl that. Are you, like, what are you thinking? I don't want to say anything much, but it's super disrespectful. It's not nice at all, whatever you did. And more than that, the most important thing is, I've never saved your number. So, I don't know how I can search my contact detail. Yeah? That's basic, and you know that relevant कि हम आपके बारे में इतना बात कर रहे हैं. And the third thing is, अगर मैं ऐसा बोलता हूँ कभी भी, अगर for example मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ, someone asks me for a number, for someone's number, I'll be like, यार कशी से पूछना इसके पास बिल्ला के आधे लड़कों के numbers है, wink. फिर मैं बोलता हूँ आपको just kidding. That will not sit right with you at all. Okay? So I don't have your number saved, so I can't even give her your number. First of all, through all that, you can't say she tried. Okay, you can't drag my name in that as well. You can't drag our name on the ground, and you cannot talk to my girl like that. You want to tell this to someone else, you can tell someone else that I don't give a shit, but not to my girl. You understand that? Just think of these chillings I have a number saved. Irritating. Anyways, fuck. Sorry, any other questions, guys? Anika and Shivi should patch up or not? Yeah, they were quite good together. I don't know what's happening to both of them, but I can just wish them the best of luck. And I mean, stay strong, guys. It's not easy at all. And when it comes to things not being easy, the amount of hate people are getting nowadays, I see that it's affecting them. And Akriti is one of the strongest girls I have ever seen. It's insane how she handled all that. People can't. It's super tough. It feels like someone is gonna. It feels like shit when someone says all this about you. But at the end of the day, it's a content wala show. So if you see all the hate she's getting, it's mostly to the content. And I'll tell you one more thing, guys. अगर वीडियो में ना आप कुछ पुराने बोलते हो या फिर आप कुछ स्पाइसी नहीं देते हो या फिर आप मेरे तरह अच्छी चीज़ें बोलते हो तो फिर आप नहीं दिखेंगे. Okay? आप नहीं दिखेंगे. So understand that it's a reality show. Some people are not getting screen time. तो वो लोग लाइव आके कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. ठीक है? क्यों लाइव आ रहे हैं? Why are in the show first of all? Fame के लिए बोला था, right? So when they are not getting their screen time, then they will probably end up coming live and saying so many things, and that's their wish. Like they want to be seen. Let them do what they want to do. Everyone's here to hustle, right? So it's that simple as that. And कुछ लोग ना बहुत कुछ बोले. Like for example, you shoot a group session, and the shoot goes on from midnight till the next day morning. The sun is coming out. ठीक है? हम बस खड़े रहे हैं, सब लोग बैठ रहे हैं. And there's like a few people talking. Like if they say episode release होता है, they're not there, they're not seen because whatever they're saying was bullshit. And sometimes people don't want to fight about it. Like I'll tell you one simple thing. I don't know if you observed, but in the previous Spitzilla or the one before that, someone came into the area, to the dome or something, because it made this Doka King, yes, who's so bad. I know the guys got really riled up and started fighting and this and that. लेकिन यहाँ ना पूरा उल्टा हुआ, हम सारे लॉन्डो बस देख रहे थे, तो फिर ओके, बस क्योंकि हमको पता है कि आगे जाके बहुत जोकर की तरह दिखेगा और कुछ नहीं. So let people post about themselves, say what they want to say. लेकिन अगर आप प्रूव नहीं कर सकते ये सब और the audience doesn't believe it ना, you will look like a fool. And that's about it. That's all I can say. People come live, say so many things, and give galis, etc. That's the wrong way to go about it, first of all. So I don't really, no one will ever appreciate that. But yes, it's guys. Without all that, you guys will get bored, right? And without the hate, it will never be a reality show. Every reality show has hate. Whoever stands out, they get hate. Whichever girl is vocal, they get hate. Whichever guy is not vocal, they get hate. Everyone will get hate one point in time. Take it. It's just the way you deal with it, and you move on after that. And again, after seeing everything, hats off to Akriti. The way she handles everything, the way she is handling everything, can't really, comment that. No matter what I say, it will not be enough, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, I'm reading all the questions, very funny. And no, I'm not going to tell you what happens next weekend. And yes, it's only the weekends, so you're gonna have to wait. Like, until then, follow us on Instagram, see all our reels, see everything I'm doing for you guys, and enjoy it. Yeah. Meet and greet in Bangalore. इसके बारे में ज़रूर सोचूंगा. Okay. Yes. I know you have so many questions into the next episode, and I will come online and clear everything up when the time comes. Abhi tak I will not spoil anything for you all. I'm not like that. All I want to say is I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I should have judged the situation better. That's about it. Okay? Yeah, I know. Akriti and I are very cute together, na? Thank you. I did clear what Kashish said in our broadcast. Okay. Anything else, guys? Any comments? क्योंकि मैं जा रहा हूँ. मैं टाइम हो गया. मैं अभी क्या जिम जा रहा हूँ, I guess. So that. Alright. Yeah, I know. I do miss Akriti. It's tough staying so far away. Okay, anyways. I will see you guys later, okay? So bye, see you. Thank you for having me. And if you have any more questions, ask. Okay, bye-bye. See you guys, take care. Say bye now. Oh. I know I should be active on broadcast. I will be. I'm there on Telegram as well. Just a lot of personal things going on too. Huh. Bye. Thank you. Let me go over that. Any other questions? Okay. Take care. Hi. Did the live start here? Hello everybody.